1, 2, 3, bang!
What's up guys, welcome back to RN Junior Productions, and I am Muhammad Rahim Bahaki.
I am Rahim Hambali. Oh my god, almost say.
My name no need to say, you guys know right? The infamous.
Bro, someone get this guy up, bro. Someone get this guy up.
Yeah, where we are today?
We are at iLight Singapore 2025.
Yeah, we've been going for
I mean,
how many years already?
If you think about it, we're actually at Marina Bay Sands.
And technically,
Yeah, technically at Marina Bay Sands.
But if you think of it in a deeper thought, right, we're actually in Singapore.
But we're at Marina Bay Sands. You know, let's skip that part. We are already at Marina Bay Sands either way. And we're here to see iLight 2025.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this as exhibits because there's like, I see fire looking thingies in the distance, like something burning. I see huge inflatables behind me. I see a big ball. I see a possible magician, I think. I don't know. We'll be taking like a tour around the entire place to see what this year's iLight is about. All I can say is completely different from what we saw last year.
Yeah, I think it's every year, but it's only the fact that I read up about this year only. That is about basically iLights is just a combination of different arts from different countries. Can be from Spain, Germany, Australia, what else? Italy. There's even local arts over here also.
Apparently this year's attractions are more...
It looks more interesting.
Yeah.
Actually no. Last year got one that is like the most interesting one is like the big ass circle there. But this year can be more interesting, can be not.
Yeah, like what they say, never judge a book by its cover. So whatever it is, but let's just go and find out what it is. You guys saw us take the picture with one guy. There's apparently 3 of them.
Yo, that's a big...
No, for the fun, it looks very big, but it's bigger from the back. Look, look at that. It's inflatable, but it's like lighted up in white. But like there's 3 of them, you only found one.
No, I found 2. There's one more there. But I wonder what's the other one, bro.
I feel like you have to think a bit like outside the box. You have to think a bit bigger.
You have to think like... You have to think more outwards.
Sometimes the answer's not below your nose. Yeah, you have to look up a bit. Oh, he's taking us. He's trying to fight. But this one is inspired by...
No, it's inspired by... Like, I read out a bit. I don't know if it's correct, but they say it's inspired by like a film where like these humanoids just comes to Earth and like just roam around Earth lah. I don't know what they're called. But it's like...
But if humans are that size, scary bro.
Yeah.
That guy...
It's an Australian art.
Australian art?
Yeah. All iLights is basically like a mixture of like different arts from different countries.
And it's basically just
mostly I saw from Australia, but there are some from Italy. Then there are some from other
my
countries
perspective on iLights is just a different display of how light can be turned into art. You know what I mean? The different forms of art, but like in light form. You know?
One example could be like
The
somewhere
inflatable.
there. There's somewhere there.
Like behind the camera.
Ah, that one.
Behind the camera, you can see a fire over.
Yeah, that one.
On top of me, you can see the guy staring down at me. So funny though. How do you even get it up there? Like, why they? Like, why one day humans actually turn that big? Why if they actually fell from space?
Oh, this is the POV of ants.
Oh, yeah. Like, no, what if you are actually the
Yeah,
ants?
so anyways, yeah, done talking. I want to take picture of that last guy over there.
I mean, it's a once in a year thing also. Yeah. There's no way nobody saw you carrying a big inflatable around the entire place and everything. But have you seen about him?
Oh. Yo. What's up, guys? You see me pose just now?
Yeah.
Nice or not?
Bro, you know like one like he was like one clown over there. He looked exactly the same like the inflatable.
Basically,
One is
what is behind me, right? Is like, how to say?
Reflection.
Yeah, reflection of your past self and your current self in a video or montage.
It's not that deep.
There's a description.
Yeah, that's the execution.
You know,
This is
this
basically
exhibition is called VJ Yourself.
yeah. This one is from Playmate Studios. From Spain. See, like like other countries come here to display their art for us to play around or like look up or like read up about it.
And it's once every year.
Yeah, like you can see in the background. Look. Yeah, but like even though we want to do this, but like the line is
The line is very long.
Like, it's very
the
long.
line is not allowing us to.
And it gets longer. Like the more you expect it to get shorter. So you just have to watch other people make themselves look funny while being up there. Like that one. There's a couple dancing up there.
Yeah.
But yeah, the main like the main reason of this exhibition is to like it says
It's
portray,
just cool, It's just like echoes of yourself.
it says like it's echoes of yourself, past reflections, whatever thing.
Yeah, like when you move, then your past self still there. Like that's the echo.
She walking around.
Yeah, there.
Just like a past self after you got
Yeah.
Just
Just like your past self when both of you got hair, you know.
that's,
But now I'm more handsome.
That's something.
Like that's the difference. Like we
No,
move
but-
on from the past.
But like I'm still taller.
Okay, let's move on. So that was iLights. How do you guys enjoy it so far?
Personally,
For me, of course I enjoy it lah. Like
we all know what part he
you
enjoyed the
know
most,
why
You'll know what part he enjoyed the most.
Of course you know what part I enjoy. The part where someone got called out, for a certain show.
By the way, so what's your name? Hakim. Okay, perfect. Okay, the finale right now. Hakim, do it for all the 4 buckles on the back, okay? Alright, how about give Hakim a big round of applause or something? Okay, perfect. That's too much applause, okay? A bit less is fine, okay? It's still my show. Hakim, last one. It goes under my leg. Please take it from right over here. Make it tight, but not too tight. I'm not married yet. Last one, across my arms. Yes. Nice and tight. Very good. Do that one right over there. Okay, give Hakim a big round of applause. He deserves it. Okay, Hakim, remove the mic and hold it for me.
And also, if you guys saw in the photo, he did post exactly the same like this one inflatable. As you can see, the white shirt and the no hair edition also.
I mean, not gonna lie, right? It was like YOLO type of thing. Cause like I'm never gonna see this one next year maybe.
Yeah.
Cause every year they change.
Yeah, that's true. And iLights is a annual thing also.
I mean, honestly, I really feel like although the exhibits this year isn't as much or as big as last year's one, I feel like it's much more, like, I want to say interactive, but I don't think that's the word. I think it's nicer than last year's one, to be honest.
It's much more like interesting. I mean, interesting because this year I read up on the stuff lah, but like to find out that it's actually from different countries, and like each art comes from different inspiration. Like for example, the giants are like from Australia and is inspired by a film about these giants that like roam the earth.
You can clearly tell this guy actually read the description of everything.
I mean, I don't want to sound nerdy about it, right? But then all these arts is just like a way of expressing certain things. Like I read up about this one art. It was local art. Remember the Singapore?
There's a local art here also.
It's to represent like connection of a heartbeat, like when 2 people touch it at the same time, something like that, like to synchronize heartbeat of like 2 hearts together. And I think that was kind of like that thing got to me. Some like, you know what I mean? Like I was feeling that artwork.
It's something about physiological synchrony. Like it's basically a big bubble. Then 2 people touch it, then it'll change color according to the heartbeat. It's kind of cool. Local art somewhere. Like shout out to Singaporeans, bro.
Support local artists, guys. Support local artists.
Yeah, but I think it's best. I mean, I think it's a good chance. It's a good thing that we came down here this year, because it's what like you say, it's an annual thing that happens in Singapore, and someone like you just have to come down and try out. Maybe you get to be part of a show.
Yeah, be part of a show.
Be part of the show like somebody here, right? This guy.
Yeah, I encourage you guys to come down here because the mood in this year's iLight is like a bit different. It's more of those calm, more of those like aesthetic type of like vibe. Not really lively like how last year's one.
Last year's one I would say like very lively because of the
very
amount of colours they have also.
Like it makes you go into those thoughts, like how life is like.
Especially,
I
I think he's referring to the heartbeat one. I think he's referring to the heartbeat
you
one.
guys to come down here with your family, enjoy the highlights or the magic show.
Thank you. Enjoy this
in case
place.
you see me again. You might never know. I'm the one that doing the magic next.
Whoa, this guy. Just cause he got featured in one magic show, he's gonna be in all.
Yeah, that's all for this video today. And signing off, I'm Muhammad and Hakim, the MC.
I'm Ryan Hambali.
And I am Ryan Bahaki and the 3 of us are from iLight and Junior Productions.
We'll see you guys
In the next video.
Next
Bye bye.